Welcome back to some more Pokemon. Yes, indeed. Well, today we will be going over how to look after your Pokemon cards. So you've went out, you've bought yourself a little Pokemon card pack. Yes? Now in this pack there could be something that is rare or worth some money. You never know these things. So we need to know how to protect our card to keep its value high. Now these are little card sleeves. Now if you buy some of the bigger booster packs, a lot of the booster packs, they do come with about 40 of these, usually themed around whatever the booster pack is. So there is a little card sleeve there, and you also want maybe some of these. These are the little top loader plastic containers for the cards. These are good for protecting them. Little hard plastic cases for your rarer cards if you want to keep them, you want to keep them in some good nick. Now let me try and break into this card pack. Something I always have a bit of difficulty with, but never mind, let's go. There we are. Come on, there we go. Right, so let's see what's inside this pack. So there you go, there's a Team Rocket Lavatar. Very nice, very nice. Hit my camera, never mind. There's Steven's Beldum, also very nice. And then we have a reverse holo Spidops. Excellent. So obviously that is the rarest card out of that pack. There is only 3 in that pack, by the way. So what you want to do is you want to take your sleeve and you want to pop this card into the sleeve. Now that'll keep it quite nice, nice protected inside a little fancy sleeve, yes. And then we want to take our plastic top loader container, and we want to very carefully, as much as possible, place this inside. Now it won't go all the way down, you have to kind of hit it a few times like I'm doing here. Let me get a proper smack, and there we go. It is now down further in it, and that is well protected. It is a good way of looking after your cards before you send them away for grading or stuff like that, yes. Always look after your cards, because they will be worth money one day, very possibly. Might be worth money right now. So thanks for watching, please leave a like, and I'll see you all next time. Cheery bye now.